Hello everyone, going over a quick overview of the Gnotz algo here related to the BullTradeFinder community. So, for those that have acquired the algo, once you connected it to your TradingView username, you would come to TradingView, you would go to Indicators, so you would go to Indicators here, you would go to Invite Only Scripts, you would go to Gnotz algo, click on this, it would pop up here like this. One little issue I want to add on, and this happens very rarely, and we've contacted TradingView about it for a fix, and they said it happens to basically all scripts that are made in some sort of time. So if you ever get an issue where you don't see the chart pop up, something like this, come here to the indicator legend, pull that down. If you see a red exclamation point, all it wants you to do is just exit out. And then once you add it back in, it'll be all set and good to go. That's just one thing I wanted to get cleared out. Going into the scaling, this is another thing that people talk about. When you open the chart, it usually kind of looks like this. It looks, very far away. The candles are very, tight. All you got to do is just scale the price up on this bar right here to your liking. And then you could also scale it like this, left and right, to your liking. Another great feature here we have is a stat box. You'll see the trend being this cloud right here. If the candles are over it, the trend is bullish. The candles are under it, like you could see right here. At this time, it was bearish. Chop index, anything under 50 usually means, there's a decent trend. Anything over 60 means there is usually a good amount of chop. Volume per bar candle is pretty simple. RSI, simple. High of the day and low of the day are also calculated and added here. Now, you could see the long and short signals, L and S. You see the automated trend lines here. You could see these green and red boxes. These are supply and demand zones, red being supply / resistance, green being demand / support. You could obviously see the entry level here. So we got a short signal here. You could see the entry here with target price 1, target price 2, and target price 3, as well as a stop loss associated with it. Now, one other thing I want to add is going over the alert section. So once depending on what plan you have on TradingView, you would go up here, you would click this, and before I even get into that, actually, one thing I want to suggest is I would definitely suggest using the 5-minute, the 15-minute, 30-hour, 4-hour, and daily. I personally use the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and the daily. I really wouldn't suggest using the 1 minute. It does work on the 1 minute. I don't suggest it. It does not work on the 3 and the 10-minute. But with that said, what does work is the trend lines. Everything else works except the long and the buy sell signals. Same thing with the 10-minute. It'll be the same information except the long and the long and the short sell signals. So now going back to the alerts, you want to click the specific time frame you want before you actually get into the alert. So for me, a 5-minute, you click on alert, you click on the condition here, you click on the algo. You don't have to change anything here. It is the any alert function call. This is where, depending on any plan you have, it may not give you the option for the open-ended alert. What you want to just do is set it 1 month ahead, and then you could continuously do that once it expires. You go to notifications here before you make the alert, and you would choose what you want it to do for you. So it could show as a pop-up. Let's just say it's actually like a screen like this. It'll show a pop-up, ES went long here. You can get an email, you can get a notification in the app, you could have it play a sound, and obviously you can click a couple of these on. And then you would just hit create and you're all set. So you would come to the alerts here. For those that do not have that extended plan like I do, Once you do that, I think you just have to go here and you could restart all the inactive. So once it goes inactive after a month, you could just restart it. So you don't have to make the alert again. You could just literally click this button right here and it'll do it right for you. So if you set up 10 alerts on the 5 minute, it'll set it up for you. You can set alerts on the daily. Again, you can see I have some daily alerts here. You can see I have some 5 minute alerts here. And that's basically just how you use that. Other than that, if you have any questions, please be sure to contact me at BullTradeFinder on Twitter. If you're interested in becoming an affiliate as well, you can contact me at BullTradeFinder on Twitter as well, or in the Discord. You could also ask us questions in the Discord.